and welcome to your onboarding journey with deskbird. In this video we are going to talk about user communication and how to maximize early adoption and boost user engagement. Let's say your office setup is done, the desks are done, the parking spots are done, meeting rooms are there, your IT setup is done, and yet you don't see that much user engagement on the tool. Here we have a bit of early adoption tips for you. We know that change can be hard, especially for long-time employees. So the first thing you can remind them is that if you are a Microsoft Teams or Slack user, you can remind your user of integrations within those two. You have deskbird within Microsoft Teams, which is a total game changer. You can book your desk from there, schedule your week from there, perform the check-in, see your status, check your employee status, your colleague status, and wherever you are or one of your team member is sitting directly from Microsoft Teams. You just need to add the deskbird add-on within Teams, log in with your Microsoft Teams credentials, and you're good to go. Next, you can plan ahead the communications internally, maybe by using multiple channels, thinking of timings, and market deskbird as a social tool and office management. By doing this, you can also involve internal influencers. They can be enthusiastic users who use it frequently. Then, of course, offering a user training and demoing deskbird tool to your employee within an official kickoff call might be one of the best tips we can give you to adopt and boost user engagement. And finally, we can have a soft launch. We can maybe start with a smaller group of users and then deploy to the maximum amount of employees you have. Of course, our customer support and success team are always here to assist you in any case. And by following these tips, we can make sure that the launch of deskbird is a success within your company.